Hello, hello, lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with Latasha. And thank you for joining me today on my 12 days of Christmas. And this is going to be episode number 11. Guys, we are almost to the end. And I thoroughly hope that you all have enjoyed watching as we decorate all around our house for the 2024 Christmas season. It has been so much fun, and I am so excited for all the things that we've been able to do in our home this year. So I want to thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time, I want to say welcome. And of course, for all the ones that are revisiting, I want to say I really appreciate you guys being here. And I'm just so grateful that you're able to go along with us on this journey as we pull this house together. So if you like what you've seen so far, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And of course, share it with all of your family and your friends. And then we want you to leave your comments down below because you guys are absolutely rock stars. And I love hearing everything that you have to say. And I will try my best to respond to every comment as much as possible. So now what we're going to do, as you can see, I am here in the basement and we are working on my husband's man space and pulling together his tree and the home decor in the basement area. So we've done a little bit of upgrades. And what I mean by that is that my husband actually had portraits that he was trying to decide whether or not he was going to still incorporate them into his basement space. I don't know why, because when you see this artwork, you're going to be blown away. He is an avid Falcons fan. We are here in the state of Georgia, and he has been a Falcons fan since he was a little boy, and he was able to acquire some amazing artwork. And so now he's put that artwork up on the walls, and when I tell you, it has turned his space in the basement into a man haven. And so what I'm doing here is I am utilizing the colors that I'm able to pull from the decor and the accessories and ornaments that I have from those pictures. And so I'm really excited the way that it's turning out. I just had some black ribbon that had the gold on it, of course, with the red balls. We've got a little bit of the woodsy theme because it is a man's space. So he's not necessarily into all the glitter and the frou-frou stuff. So we're going to try to keep it as man space safe as possible. So you're just going to be here with me as I pull all these things together and decorate this tree. And I'm really excited the way that it looks. So now that I'm done with the tree, I'm going to go over to our poker table / Uno table. If you've been on here before, you know that we don't play poker, we play Uno. So we utilize this table to play Uno with and to eat around and just laugh and have a good time. So I'm going to clean it up a little bit, get in all the little cup holders and get everything cleaned up. I'm going to take a moment to clean this little bar area that's behind the table because I'm going to utilize it to put some decor on as well. So here you've seen this one. It's a candle holder that I actually utilize. I want to say for fall. I decided that I wanted to keep it here for Christmas because it fits so perfectly, but I'm going to spruce it up a little bit. And I'm going to start out with Norfolk pine sprays that I have, and I'm going to organize them underneath and just create like a tablescape for this table just to make it look a little bit more festive. So as you see here, I'm just laying them underneath and I'm going to arrange them so that the stems are not completely exposed. I don't want to cut them off because I use these in my jars and things of that nature. So I want to keep it, but I just tried to figure out a way that would allow me to be able to have it where the stems won't be seen and it still will give me the look that I'm wanting to. Now, if you've seen these, or if you've worked with these, you know that they are so easy and so ready to be pliable and moved around. So I thought it was going to create a perfect little tablescape for this little area. I think he's going to be pretty pleased with the way that it looks. Okay, so now I'm going to bring in some ornaments, some red ornaments that I use on the tree, and I'm going to place them all around on the table just to create a festive tablescape for this space. And hopefully, I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. Okay, so now I'm going over to this table that is in this space as well, and I'm going to put up a photo of, I want to say it's a moose, guys. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to put up that. It's one that I got from Amazon. I've got the home sign, which you've seen before, and then I've got this little Christmas tree that I thought was kind of perfect for this space. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this red lantern, of course, because he has the red accent colors in this space. I'm going to clean it up a little bit because the poor thing's been in storage, and so it is dusty and needs to be wiped down really good. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to enhance it a little bit just to make it even more perfect for this space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put it on the inside. This candle on the inside of this lantern does not come out. So I just thought, let's make it look a little bit more festive by adding in a wreath. Moving back over to the living room space, well, guess what? We had a red rug at our previous home that we had put in storage, and honestly, we're contemplating getting rid of it, and I remember that we still had it, so went in storage, pulled it back out, give it a quick refresh by vacuuming it, and we're going to roll with that, and it actually works out perfectly. Now, if you guys know anything about me, if you've been here before, you know I'm all about the pillow covers. So these are some that I got from Amazon, including those leather ones. So they are perfect. They tie in all the colors. And then we're going to put a throw blanket, because if you didn't know anything, that's my little spot right there on the end. So I'm bringing in a table now. And on the table, I'm going to bring in some metal decor pieces, and I'm going to put Santa on the inside and a little Christmas tree and the other one just to kind of enhance that space. And then to continue to tie in with the wood grain, I'm going to bring in one of those wood houses that I got from at home back in the summer. And guys, is Santa not the cutest? He is taking a selfie. I just love it. Santa actually came from at home as well, and he is adorable. So now we are coming into the reveal. This is all of the areas, and this is the artwork that my husband was able to acquire that completes his space. It's just perfect. All right, so here's the final thing that I'm going to do in this space. And if you've been here before, you know what this is all about. I'm starting to light the candles because I'm getting ready to give you the twilight view of what this room's like just by candlelight and the accent lighting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and share with a friend. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Take care and Merry Christmas, guys.